writing. Okay, simplify 2 plus 4i minus 5 minus 6i. So this one is easy. You get rid of the parentheses, so you have 2 plus 4i minus 5 negative. Yeah. Okay. You be careful with the signs. And this is negative 3 plus 10i. Then letter B, 3 minus 2i, 3 plus 2i. So you FOIL this. This is 9 minus 6i plus 6i. Then this one, minus 4i squared. So 6i cancels out, right? Then you have 9 minus 4. I squared is negative 1. Take note of that. So this is 9 plus 4. So you should remember this. The value of I is equal to square root of negative 1. I squared is equal to negative 1. I cubed is equal to I, right? And negative I. Then I to the fourth is equal to 1. This one is very important. You should remember that. A negative 1. I cube is negative I. Because you do like this. See? I cube is I squared times I, right? And I squared is negative 1. So negative 1 times I is negative I. And then I to the fourth, you can write that as I squared times I squared. So that is negative 1 times negative 1. That's why you have positive 1. So you should remember this one. Because what if you're asked for, like, what is the value of I to the 507? Yeah? So you will just write the multiples of 4. You subtract multiples of 4. Letter C. Okay. Letter C. 6 plus 7i squared. So you multiply 6 plus 7i to itself. That is this one, 36, plus 7 times 6 is 42, plus 42i plus 49i squared. So this is 36 plus 84i plus 49 times negative 1. So this is 36 minus 49 plus 84i. So what is 36 minus 49? Negative 13. Okay. Then we move on to 75. Okay. You're done with this? Okay. We move on to 75. Am I too fast? It seems like my brain is in a hurry. Why is it like that? And even if when I walk really fast. Yeah, it seems like I'm always in a hurry. Okay, 6i plus 3 minus 4i. So you get rid of the parentheses. So this is 3 minus 4i. Then you group like terms. 6 minus 4i is 2i. So you can write this as 3 plus 2i. So when you write a complex number, you should write the real part first, then the imaginary part. Then letter B, 2 minus 5i squared is just 2 minus 5i times 2 minus 5i. Then you FOIL that. That is 4 minus 10i, then minus 10i, then plus 25i squared. So you have 4 minus 20i plus 25 times negative 1. Then you simplify. This is 4 minus 20i minus 25. 4 minus 25 is negative 21 minus 20i, right? So that's the answer. Then we go to letter C. Yeah, for letter C, these are easy, right? You just have to be careful with the signs and your multiplication. So we FOIL this. This one is 10, then minus 2i, then this one plus 15i, then this one minus 3i squared. So this is 10 plus 13i minus 3 times negative 1. So 10 plus 13i plus 3, so 13 plus 13i. Then 76. Where is 76 here? Okay, I found 76. Okay, we move to 76. Okay, 76a, 3i times 5 plus 7i. So you distribute 3. 3i times 5 is 15i, right? And then 3i times 7i is 21i squared. So this is 15i plus 21 times negative 1. So you can write this as negative 21 plus 15i. Then for letter B, we have 1 minus 2i minus negative 5 plus 2i. 1 minus 2i. Okay, we get rid of the parentheses. So this is 2i plus 5 minus 2i. Then this is 6 minus 4i. Did we do it correctly? 1 plus 5 is 6. Negative 2 minus 2. Yeah? We did it correctly. Then letter C. Okay. The letter C. Yeah, we can FOIL this. This is just 2 minus 6i times 2 minus 6i. So that is 4 minus 12i minus 12i plus 36i squared. You got the same. 4 minus 24i plus 36 times negative 1. So this is 4 minus 36 minus 24i. So that is negative 32 minus 24i. Okay, is that correct? The same? We did it correctly. Then number, I'm deleting it. Number 77. Okay, 77a, 1 minus I times 1 plus I. So we FOIL. Since they have this different signs and the same variables, then you can cancel the middle term. So this is 1 minus I plus I minus I squared. So this cancels out. So we have 1 minus negative 1. So this is 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay, and then letter B, 2 plus I squared equals 2 plus I times 2 plus I. So this is, you FOIL, 4 plus 2I, this one, plus 2I plus I squared. So this is 4 plus 4I minus 1. Then 4 minus 1 is 3, so 3 plus 4i. Okay, then letter C. Then letter C. So we have 15 minus 3i plus negative 2 plus 10i. So we get rid of the parentheses. This would become 15 minus 3i minus 2 plus 10i. Then we group like terms. So this is 13 plus 7i, right? 13, and then, okay. Then 78. 78a. So 4 minus 2i times 4 plus 3i. So we FOIL this. 4 times 4 is 16. Negative 2i times 4 is negative 8i. Then 4 times 3i plus 12i. This is negative 6i squared, right? 16, negative 8, 12, then negative 6. Okay, so 16, this is 4 plus 4i. 8 minus 12 minus 6 times negative 1. So this is 16 plus 4i plus 6. 16 plus 6, 22. So this is 22 plus 4i. Then we have letter B. We move to letter B. Okay, letter B. 2 plus 7i minus 4 minus 5i. So this would become 2 plus 7i minus 4 plus 5i. Be careful of the signs. Sometimes it's tricky. Yeah? If you see a negative here, you must distribute to each of the terms. So 2 plus 7i minus 4 plus 5i. Then we group like terms. This is negative 2. Then 7 plus 5 is 12. So 12i. Then for letter C, 5 minus 3i squared is equal to 5 minus 3i times 5 minus 3i. Then we FOIL, that is 25, then minus 15i minus 15i plus 9i squared. So this is 25 minus 30i plus 9 times negative 1. Then this is, my pen is, complaining. Why do you use me all the time? 25 minus 9 minus 30i. So 25 minus 9, it's 14? No. 16? Okay. 16 minus 30i. Did we do it correctly? 25 minus 15 minus 15. Yeah. And you always review your work. Make sure it's correct. So we move to 79.